Just like the fancy products that are laid out for us in the racks of a parlor, our kitchen counters are no less. Packed with hair-loving and strengthening properties, these simple everyday ingredients are superheroes themselves. And we are about to find out what these are, so let's go. Known for its moisturizing properties and nourishing vitamins, aloe vera is everyone's favorite beauty ingredient. If you're looking to improve the quality of your hair, aloe vera is a great start. Apply a small amount of this to your roots as well as the ends and let it sit for an hour before you wash it. Aloe contains proteolytic enzymes that are known to repair dead cells as well as essential amino acids like zinc and copper that strengthen your hair. So you can be assured that this easily attainable ingredient will leave you with silky and shiny hair. If you're a rice lover, then why just include it in your diet? The milky water left behind after soaking the rice is rich in amino acids, which strengthens the hair at its root to promote stronger and thicker growth. The starchy water helps in making it a fantastic volumizer that adds thickness to your mane. To try this ancient tradition, you will need 4 tablespoons of raw rice, 1 bowl of water, and an airtight container. Let your rice soak for about 15 to 20 minutes. Filter the milky water and store it in an airtight container. The simplest and most effective way to use this is to rinse your hair with rice water after a shampoo and leave it on for about 20 minutes before washing it off. You can do this twice a week for visibly thicker and shinier hair. A cup of tea makes everything better, from your mornings to your mane. If you have dull hair that you want to add shine to, this black tea rinse is just for you. Simply boil some water and add a black tea bag. Pour this mix in a spray bottle and shake well. Spray this on your hair and roots thoroughly and keep this on for about 50 minutes. Packed with antioxidants, it keeps your strands from any damage as well as protects your hair against DHT, which is a hormone that produces hair fall. So go ahead and let your favorite cup of chai do its magic. This common Indian household spice adds life to your food as well as your hair. It is rich in vitamins A and C, flavonoids as well as carotenoids and other antioxidants which help in hair growth and also fighting off dandruff. If you have a flaky scalp with dull hair, give it a thorough detox with this easy and quick DIY. Crush 4 tablespoons of black pepper and mix it with 4 tablespoons of olive oil. That will help bring back the gloss to the hair. Keep this paste overnight and then apply it on your scalp, leaving it on for about 30 minutes. What you'll be left with is shiny, dandruff-free, healthy roots and scalp. Oats and honey are a killer combination not just for cookies but also for a nourishing hair mask. Honey helps the driest of hair retain moisture and luster, while oatmeal helps build elasticity to reduce breakage. All you need to do is add a cupful of oats and mix it with 3 tablespoons of honey. Apply from mid-lengths to the ends and leave it for about 30 minutes. Rinse it off with a mild shampoo to reveal softer, smoother hair. Let the route to gorgeous and glamorous hair start from your kitchen. We hope you pamper yourself with these homemade masks and let us know which one of these ingredients you can't wait to try out. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.